Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm here with a Christmas projector. Perhaps you've seen these around. I have a couple that do some red and green lights, kind of like laser lights, but this one had images. It's different from the Mr. Christmas projector that we've done a review on last year that shines the image on your window or your wall. So I want to check this one out. I'm going to do an unboxing and then I'm going to show it to you, and then I'll have some actual footage of it outside. This is a projector with water wave light, and it has snowflakes and it has other images on it. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. So there are slides that go into the projector to get the image that you want, and inside the kit you get slides. You have a power supply transformer, you have a ground stake, you have the light projector, you have a remote control, support frame, a fixed screw, and a mounting plate. So let's make sure we have all of that. Okay, this is our projector, and this is our power supply transformer, and then we have our mounting plate, and these are all of our slides, and we have the support frame, and this is our ground stake. And we have our remote control. People use these indoors and out, and all I have to do on the remote is pull this tab. Now the remote will work. So the projector is on, and then to put the slides in, you unscrew this right here. Okay, there was a slide in there. This was a pumpkin skeleton and an eyeball, but they go down in there. And okay, there are two ways to attach this. You can either use the mounting plate and attach it to a wall or structure, or you can use the stake and stake it into the ground. The projection light must be positioned so that the fan vent is on the bottom. Also be sure that the fan vent is in no danger of being blocked. If the vent air is blocked, the unit and slide are in danger of being damaged. Only use the supply transformer connected to a properly grounded outdoor outlet, and do not use with dimmers. The machine has a 6-hour automatic shutdown function. So it will go for 6 hours, it'll shut down for 18 hours. You just stick them in the top. Once you unscrew the thing on the top, just leave it on.
Unscrew what thing?
Okay, just don't talk while you're doing it. Okay guys, so I set the projector up indoors. My husband's changing a slide, that's why you see a slight movement there. But you'll see the background color changes, and then you have the snowflakes, and that's just one of the slides that comes in this kit. And the colors are very vibrant. You can use it indoors and outside, but just because our weather's been so nasty, I wanted to just be able to film this for a long time to show you all the different slides, so I decided to do it inside. So let's change the slide now to something else. So this is, I guess you would use for a birthday. If you want to torment someone that's scared of clowns, you can put this around your house. Okay, they have the patriotic 4th of July thrown in there, so I don't know. But let's, in case any of you are traumatized right now, we'll change the slide. One way, so if it doesn't go in one way, turn it around, put it in the other way. This is Easter. So you've got an Easter basket, you've got Easter eggs, and Easter designs there. And this is birthday, so birthday cake, happy birthday, balloons going on. And here's another Christmas, so you've got Santa, snowman, snow bells, a Christmas tree. And this is another Christmas design with candy canes, a sled, reindeer, and a snowflake collage. Another Christmas, so you've got a present, a bear, candy canes, toys. And Halloween, so you've got an eyeball, a bleeding eyeball, ghosts, a pumpkin, and a skeleton. And there's your Happy New Year. And Thanksgiving, so you've got a turkey, leaves, and pumpkin. We found one more. This is love, so Valentine's Day, anniversary, wedding, whatever. So there you go with that. All right, and we found another one. This is another Halloween. You've got a skeleton in a coffin. You have some kind of a witch, pumpkin-headed scary guy, and a ghost with a little ghost. Okay guys, so that's the projector. You can find it on Amazon, and you know, it'll add some nice decorations to any holiday without really a lot of effort. So let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you have this, and I will put a link to the product right in the video description so you can check it out and order one if you so choose to do that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.